Hello kids, in this video we will learn vegetables name. Beetroot, brinjal, tomato, potato, carrot, onion, broccoli, radish, ginger, cauliflower, bottle gourd, sweet potato, corn, bitter gourd, capsicum, turnip, peas, chilies, cabbage, garlic, lady finger, pumpkin, mushroom, drumstick, cucumber. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.